Merhaba arkadaşlarım. Şimdi we are going to make katafi millefeuille inspired by the films. Mix my katafi and butter and I put in this little pad and I press down to make flat little sheets. Salt, yumurta ve şeker. Mezina. I don't know what is mezina, bilmiyorum. And then we're going to whisk together. Evet. Kul suyu. Put hot milk into yumurta mix, egg mixture, and then you put back in pot and heat up till custard is formed. Tamam. Tamam. Your butter, while it is warm, and melt it in. Then we're going to empty into a bowl and let it cool off. Okay, take a chill pill and cool off. Tamam. Cover and let set aside and let cool and set. Şimdi I take out of buzdolabı and I'm going to whip in some cream into it. I'm going to fold in some whipped cream. Sorry, I get the wrong mixture. So I'm going to fold in whipped cream into my custody mixture. Looking beautiful pinky color. Pembe renkler. Şimdi we're going to put the diplomat crème into the piping bag. D'accord. I'm going to switch to le français. And I'm going to just make little dots. Probably going to spill out at the end. But yes, I'm just being a bit fancy. Fancy Nancy Pansy.
Just stack it up. So there's another katafi block in each one. And now we're going to add more of the diplomatic crème on the top. A bit, take out.
I'm going to add the last pastry on top. I'm going to take my icing sugar and dust it over. My Turkish delight, and I cut up into small pieces. I'm just going to place in the center. So we are doing collab with Al Khair honey, and 5 rand for every bottle sold goes to Kyo SMA. So we're going to pour some of the honey over. It is the Turkish fusion Turkish delight honey by Al Khair, the best honey, my favorite. Chalokawa, Kyo SMA, and Al Khair. What a great collab! Get your bottle today also. A quick drizzle of the warmed honey. I just melted it a little bit. You can see some gold leaf to finish off. Very big piece of gold leaf. I love it. Just put it there. It's for the Ottoman Emperor. Turkish delight. Millefeuille. Katafi millefeuille. Inspired by femmes. Enjoy.